Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a 40mm heavy duty disc Detainer padlock. Never picked one of these before, and asked my great friend Solomon for a bit of advice because he is absolutely fantastic with these, and he did a tutorial for me the other day. When I was at work, I had a few minutes today before setting off and actually watched the video. Not a chance to watch it properly due to being really busy, and my son's 6th birthday was this weekend, and I did intend to have a bash at this then. But after watching the video today, came home, had a play with it, picked it, and it opened rather well. Solomon sent me this lock. He also made me homebrew tension wrench to apply the tension to the lock, and also homebrew pick. Like I say, when I came in from work I had a bash and it opened really well. So thank you so much, Solomon, my friend. You are an absolute diamond, Mike, you really are. There was no key with it, as he forgot to bob it in the package, but to me that's great because you're actually picking it blind. I'm resetting these sort of discs in there, moving them over. Take that out. It's probably not going to open as quick on camera as it did off camera, but that's the nature of the beast of the picking. Hope you can see this. You can edge to the bottom. There we go. And I'll start picking. It's picked, I think. Yes, it's gone. There you go. I might do that one more time. So as you can see, that's, as you pop it back in, it's not like a normal padlock where it resets. You've got to reset all the discs in there by twisting that round. It's locked up. Let's try it again. So I'll twist round that way. Tension wrenching. Again, nature of the beast. Second time it's probably not going to open as quick, but hey, it's live on camera. So wobbling to the bottom. Oh, it just, yep, got it. I know what you mean, Mike, when you say you can actually feel the discs moving round in there. You get a little bit of feedback from the tension wrench, and you can feel the tightness on the discs themselves. So again, thank you so much, my friend, for the patience and the video tutorial you did. And I think because of that I'm going to have to use Lenny the laser. Let's see how he gets on. That's Lenny the laser. Always performs rather well. So thank you so much, Mike, my friend. I'm really enjoying picking these locks. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, please come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.